Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful autumnal morning today. It's very chilly, which is good for this time of year because we've had some really unseasonable warm weather. So we are here at Norfolk Wildlife Trust, Foxley Wood, and we're just going to have a lovely walk along through in the autumnal sunshine and hopefully find some good fungi. Foxley Wood is quite a popular wood. There's no amenities or anything, but it's fairly popular throughout the year. Springtime for its mass of bluebells. We did try and come here this springtime to have a look, but it was absolutely packed, so we didn't get to see the bluebells this year. So today, being autumn, hoping to find some good fungi, mushrooms, toadstools. Yeah, so we'll have a walk and see what we can find. The last time we visited Foxley Wood, this stretch all along here was absolutely full of butterflies. It was last summer when we had that really hot summer. And it was just full. Bees, butterflies, dragonflies. So this walk is very well managed by the Norfolk Wildlife Trust. There is a well-maintained path to follow, albeit being a bit muddy today, so we have had a lot of rain. It is a really lovely walk to walk. It's always full of birds. Signs of deer and sheep. Main pathway to follow, but there are other little pathways off the main track which we've just taken one of them through the woods. Yet to find any fungi though. Haven't seen any as yet. So we've now found our first clump of fungi. Pretty impressive little clump we've got here. So this glade that we're looking at here is the highest point in Foxley Wood, and it's believed to be a prehistoric natural clearing, and which, because of its poor sandy soil, not many trees can actually grow on it. So it's been used for centuries for grazing cattle, and under the Norfolk Wildlife Trust they've managed to restore it to its historic size, and livestock have been returned to it, although there isn't anything on there right now. Pretty impressive shelf fungi. That is amazing. So we've come across this clearing, which seems to have opened its way up to lots of different fungi, which is what we were hoping for today. But just look at that. That's just beautiful autumnal colouring scene. This is why I love autumn. So I'm glad we turned off the main path, so I don't think we would have stumbled on this big clearing if not. Lots of different types of fungi, which is good. And the sun was still nice and warm, so we stopped and had our lunch. See a buzzard, and Robert's see a woodpecker, and there's lots of birds still scurrying about. Just beautiful. So I think we're in fungi heaven at the moment. We've got the ones that Robert's looking at there. Got some very small purple ones. Can't quite see those, they're so small I can't quite see those. Some ones with little pink tops, brown ones.
Where are these things somewhere?
And here. Just as we were leaving that clearing there, we found lots more different types of fungi. A little bit excited, so my video might have been all over the place. I think I managed to get some photos of them anyway. Walking along this stretch of the pathway, which last summer when we came it was unbelievably hot, but it was full of butterflies and dragonflies and bees, all on the grasses and the wildflowers. Really enjoyed today. Really glad that we did find some fungi. When I first started out I didn't think we were going to see any, but we did, and lots we saw indeed. So brilliant day. So now going to have a cup of tea on our little stove, providing there's not too many people in the car park. And yeah, So thanks for watching. Till next time, goodbye. So this is the car park, or one of the car parks. There's 3 altogether. And lucky for us, we've got this one to ourselves.